Pinastahan ka?
Kaya po.
Wala. Paano kung masira?
Sakit eh.
Nahilo ka?
Nahilo ka?
Eh.
Actually, this gums is going down because we have board before. I will remove. I will force to remove because I don't touch the board. My mom is the way it works. You know that Muslim.
Nag-English eh. Lahat na siya.
English na sa atin muna na. Nakagalaw niya yata yung dila natin muna. Okay mo. Mukhang pati.
Ano? Oo.
Yeah.
Hindi, konti-konti lang naman ilan ako. Hindi ko naman binigyan. Yung umpisa lang naman.
Vlogger kasi. Gay. Vlogger eh.
Joke.
Vlogger sa vlogger.
She's a vlogger? Yeah. So today, so maybe I get more.
Bakit? What's wrong?
Okay, this is what we are.
Mahal. Yeah. Gusto ko is.
Kabayang Gurmi.
Oh, ayan. Na Japanese. Ayan. The weight oversee of the subwatch and then the English in the page. With 30 different variety of energy, modern juices, and food for one. For only 14 dirhams per person. May bouquet pala sila.
Sobrang bata niya,
Max
no?
Spencer Malt.
Sobrang bata niya as, ano,
Hindi. Ha?
7 years old.
Maganda pa ako dyan.
Oo nga, yung bata nga niya tingnan.
Pero marami na yan siya, ano.
Mayroon.
Yeah, that's there. It reminds me about the excursion that we had with those big guys. So like we're hanging on
Hi
it.
guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel, share and like. Thank you.
Up and down ipapagawa mo, te? Sa taas lang. Tinanong ko pa talaga kailan nakaganon. Sana dentista na lang ang kuhanin ni Ellen, of course.
Thank you.
Hold na. Kanya pala namin yung nira yan lang.
Dok, may discount. No need to
Straight
pasta.
Hamdan, right?
Or
Yeah. Do you need pasta there? My food is there.
Guys, sa mga gusto magpa-proseso at gusto magpa-clinic, please, pupunta lang kayo dito sa Central Dental Clinics, Street Hamdan, Marcos, near Marcos Prison. Thank you.
I paid here cash, full paid or